Okay, so the prize is?
Where's Mateos to draw?
He's here. So come and join us. So what do we have for Atradius? What is the prize first? What have we got? It's a nice bag. It's a lovely bag. You know, you can give it. Yeah, you can fill it with any. Suitable for Christmas, birthdays, bar mitzvahs, whatever. You can give a lovely gift. It is. It's a very, very nice bag.
Oh, very high quality.
Earbuds.
Earbuds. It
I
is.
wish I took
Okay.
part in it.
So without any further ado, the winner is from Atradius.
Well, it's easy. Robert Mate
From
Residel.
Residio. Is he here? Robert, are you here? Now he's done this before. I think I've seen him on television, one of the quiz shows. Thank you very much, congratulations. Okay, it's as simple as that. Right, so next please, Bureau van Dijk. So Afia, if you come and join us. And Afia's gift is a lovely red bag this time, containing...
For the Christmas.
Yes, and what do we have in it?
Apparently Christmas time already.
Oh, excellent. So headphones.
Noise cancelling.
Are they the ones you were using half an hour ago outside in your call?
Similar.
Okay, very similar. Okay, so lovely headphones for you. So the winner is...
Elodie Estac.
So the winner is Elodie Estac. Congratulations, enjoy. Thank you very much. Thank you, Afia. And the next, please, is from CRIF organisation. If you kindly come and join us. Here we have a slightly smaller bag this time for makeup or something like that, lipstick and so on. And what does this lovely bag contain, sir?
Some Bluetooth stuff, I think.
Bluetooth stuff, we think. Earbuds. Right, so there you go. So excellent again for the runners and the walkers and so on amongst us. So, and the lucky winner is... Ooh, going down the bottom. Excellent. And the winner is...
And the winner is Ursula Markovic.
Ah, Ursula. Oh, the next one. Okay, now the next one's a bit of a mystery gift. Largely a mystery because the people that donated the gift are not here. So this is from the EOS organisation. They're not here partly because they weren't allowed to travel because of the COVID situation. Also, the local guys were unwell. So I am going to do the draw on behalf of EOS. So we have... And it is an action camera. Okay, so the winner is Luisa Vaz-Maura from Selenase, who I think has left a couple of minutes ago.
Yeah,
You draw again?
I will take it.
You will? Okay, all right. In the best tradition of these kind of things, Louisa has just left literally 10 minutes ago for the train. So as Esti's going to Budapest, she will take it to her. So, okay. Or not, yeah. Yes, it might not make it. No, the next one, haven't we? Yeah. So, okay. Sorry. High Radius, please. Come and join us. And now we have a super big branded bag this time. So this is very nice. And it's containing...
It is also soundbar from...
So it's a Bluetooth?
Yeah,
Bluetooth
it's
speaker? It's a
yeah,
Bluetooth
yeah.
speaker. Yes, very excellent. Thank you very much indeed. So,
Shola Mester
Why are you hiding? Okay, so thank you very much. So next, please, O2C. Will you come and join us? Nelly's coming down with a very, very jolly fetching bag this time.
Yeah, it's a very fancy bag, but it's actually a very cool prize.
It is a very cool prize. It's a drone, yeah?
It's a drone.
It's a drone. Look at that. It's pretty awesome. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Yes, yes. Okay. So the winner is...
David Lass.
Yeah, nice one. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Next up is Paul, if you kind of join us from Premium Collections. It's a very gold bag. It's a very jolly one.
It's a Fitbit.
It's a
Thing I
Fitbit.
could do with one myself.
Well, I didn't like to say, but as you mention it, no, thank you.
I need to
Such a thing.
Ah, okay. Right.
Yes.
Okay, congratulations. So that next up is Sarala. So if you come and join us, please, Alexis. Excellent. Running up here in those lovely Adidas training shoes.
Indeed.
Indeed.
Mark Harrison, that is not Mark.
Yes, come on down. Ah.
Mark, you could have asked no. Andrea Zemanek.
Should it? Aha.
And it's actually a Bluetooth soundbar also, so it's not very. Please. There you go.
Okay. The next one is from us, right, from Callisto Grand. It's a Parker pen. It's a Parker pen, very nice. And the winner is, shall I? Okay, the winner is Esther Gabrielle. No, Shillard Nadazdi. Should
So
I?
he also left as well.
Aha. Okay. So again, we will give that to Shillard in when he's on next time we're in Budapest. So anyway, congratulations to them. Okay. Alrighty. So
Thanks for inventory.
and we have one more for the most active user on inventory over the last 3 days. The most active user over the app. So shall I?
Żaneta Rilkowa.
Finished. Okay. Congratulations and thank you for being so active on the app. We appreciate it. Okay, so I believe that actually concludes all the prizes. Congratulations to all our winners. I hope you have a lot of pleasure out of the prizes and so on. And I think we're pretty well done, yeah?